Hi, this is Dubious Code going over Python sets. So Python sets are fun. Python sets are basically, you took a dictionary and you had, dictionary has keys and values, a set just has keys. There's various math things you can do with sets, but basic sets, there's two ways you can define a set. The first is, I have a set and I give it a list of things with the word, that's not right, with the word set. So this is my first set, and it is this list, and it's only non-duplicate. So if I gave it, you know, a bunch of 5s and maybe a couple more 4s, and I print set, I think I need to pass it I need to pass an iterable. And I print set. All right, what am I doing wrong? I need set 1, okay. Then what I get is a set, and it contains 5 unique values. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could put them, let's say I put them in a different order. 4, 3, a bunch of 3s, 2, 1. I'm going to get something else that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so it's a little bit different than a dictionary hash. I'm not quite sure how the set is picking what order it is in. Or maybe my thing just didn't save right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But the key thing to know about a set is it is only saving unique values. That is when you'd use a set, when you just want the unique values. So now let's say I want to go in and I have another list. List 2 equals and let's say I wanted to add these values to the set. I think I can go set 1 dot. Well, I can definitely go for item and list to set 1 dot add item. Print set 1. So what I'm going to get is I'm going to get the same set 0 through 5, and I'll also add the 20, the 10, 20, and 30. And if I add an iterable, if I don't iterate there, if I add the iterable, do I get the iterable? Do I get this as a set, or do I get this as, does it iterate through it? I think I'm going to get this full list in there. So I think this will be the values, and then it'll include a list. But we'll see. Unhashable type list. Okay, that didn't work. It tried to include it, but this list is a unhashable, so it couldn't do it. So if I instead made it a tuple, then it is hashable, so I get the set in a tuple. So I might want to say for item and list 2, although it's a tuple now, set 1 add item. And now I get my full set. I could also remove something. Let's say I decide I don't want any 5s in there or any 3s. And I say set 1 dot remove 5, set 1 dot remove 3. All right. You can do some mathy things with 2 sets. So let's say I have set 2. There's another way to define a set with curly braces. Empty curly braces are a dictionary, but curly braces that have values in them but don't have it defined in a dictionary thing is a set. So 15, 20, and also maybe a 1 and a 2. So this is set 2. I can print out set 2. And we get another set. So I could say set 1 dot union set 2. And I believe it will add it will join these together. Maybe this won't modify set 1. I'll get the result, but not. It's more like a sorted. Let's see. Yeah, so I get the result, the joint of them, but it's not actually modifying the original set. It's not like a sort. It is returning a different value. Do you get union? I can have intersection. I can have difference between the sets. So union is all the values. Intersection is the ones that are in both sets. Difference is ones that are in one set but not the other. There might be another one. Let me look. These are the more mathy things. Is disjoint. Is disjoint would be a Boolean if they have no items in common. So union, intersection, difference, is disjoint, no, and then the original sets. Let's say I'm done with a set and I don't have to remove things. I could go set 1 dot clear. And now it's an empty set. That's what it printed out there. I could say set 1 is set 1 a subset of set 2? It's not, because it has some values it doesn't have, so I'll get a false here. Ooh, it doesn't have a subset. Is subset. Is subset. No, it's not a subset. Is it a superset? Superset. There's probably a couple other math things. Honestly, for sets, I mostly, you know, they're nice because they're good hash, but I mostly limit myself to set 1 dot add, set 1 dot remove, set 1 dot clear. If you know how to use those, then you basically get a lot of good use out of sets. And, you know, if you need to find the set intersections or disjoints or unions, you know, you can look that up. This is Dubious Code. Thank you for watching.